everyone, welcome back to our channel, where learning English is fun and easy. In today's video, we're going to talk about recount text. What is it? Why do we use it? And how do we write one? Let's start with the basics. Recount text is a type of text used to tell past experiences in English. It's like telling a story about something that has already happened. A recount text is a genre of writing that retells events or experiences that occurred in the past. It's perfect for telling stories about your holiday, a fun event, or something memorable from your life. So, what's the purpose of a recount text? Well, there are two main reasons. 1. To retell something that happened in the past. 2. To share personal experiences or even historical events with others. A recount text has a clear structure that you need to follow. Let's break it down. First, we have the orientation. This is where you give background information. Who was involved? What happened? Where and when did it happen? It sets the scene for your story. Next, we move to the events. This is the main part of your story. Here you describe what happened, step by step, in the order it occurred. Don't forget to use time order. Finally, we have the reorientation. This is where you wrap things up. You can summarize what happened, share how you felt, or give your opinion about the experience. Before you start writing, make sure to use the correct language features. Use past tense verbs like went, ate, saw, was, and were. Use time connectives. Then, after that, finally, use personal pronouns. I, we, he, she, and don't forget those action verbs like walked, played, or traveled. So now you know what a recount text is, why we use it, and how to write one. Ready to tell your story? Let's practice in the comments. Write a short recount about your weekend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an English lesson.